Alright, today YouTube, I have a old little black phone. It's through NetIn. It's terrible. It was like practically my first phone. Well, I am gonna ultimately fix it after destroying it. Okay, so here's my best effort to destroy it by hand. Oh, yep, see? It's a durable little mother. Look at that. It's fine. It's not even bent. Okay, now we're going to try to destroy it with an object in my room. I have to find something. Let's try... Hang on, I have a screwdriver somewhere. Aha! Screw. Okay. Alright. Yeah, well, see, I think we all should have known that that screw wasn't going to work. So next try is the attempt to just smash it with my hand. Okay. Yep, it did no damage. I'm going to try to press on it. It's doing no damage. I'm telling you guys, these little phones are absolutely, literally indestructible. It's not breaking. Okay, next shot is... We'll try crushing it with this textbook that I have. Oh, we got something damage. Okay, we're gonna go again. Oh, yeah, we have to take it. Okay, well, as you can see, it's still in one piece. It's still red. The next attempt is the old-fashioned. Oh, ooh, that's looking pretty bad. Alright. Oh. Oh. Yep. Look at that. That's just part of the destruction I'm doing. Yeah. All the way through the phone. As you can see, guys, this phone is still looking pretty good for what I've done to it. Okay. Now we're going to go right here for the middle. Ready? know the best case scenario for this? Your best choice with phone this destroyed, I would have to say good old-fashioned duct tape. So let's throw some duct tape on this. Go ahead and get some duct tape here. Aha, see? More duct tape. Just gonna set this right here. See? Now you don't have to see the ugly damage done to your phone. Well, I felt like destroying that phone. Please rate and subscribe, and